What's up everybody, welcome back to another beautiful day, beautiful video. Today we are going to make this hair brooch with the help of designer fabric. I hope that you will love this tutorial. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I have a request for you all that my channel is new here on YouTube, so your one subscription means a lot to me. So do subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to explore such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is any fabric. I'm taking this designer fabric. Then I'm taking this gold L'Oreals. You can take any other like pearl L'Oreals, or there are lots of varieties of L'Oreals available. I'm taking this gold L'Oreals. Then Fevibond glue, base, needle and thread, hairpin as we are making hair brooch, pen, scissor, and I'm taking these two bottle caps as an instrument to make the brooch. So first of all, I'm taking this brooch here, and we'll just draw the circle first because I'm not that much skilled photographer to have a correct drawing. So first we will draw this circle. So I come across lots of hacks on how to draw the circles and all, and how to make the shapes. And now on this I'll just measure approximately, and I will draw this another circle like this. Okay. So we need only half of this, so I will fold this big circle in the half. So we'll just put these lines on each other, and I'll fold this circle, and we need this portion. So we will cut this much. So we have successfully done this, and now we are going to add the fabric here. Again we have to do some jugards for the fabric. So I'm taking this plain side, okay, and we'll cut the fabric, how much fabric is required. So we'll cut this much. And we are going to apply the same fabric from the both sides. This means now again I will cut this from here. Okay, now we are going to stick this one with the help of Fevibond glue. So I will add this glue, and we'll cut it, and we're going to stick it carefully. So as this is the round fabric, we will have some issues while sticking the fabric, but we have to be very careful and stick this. If you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make this gorgeous hair accessory. So guys, you can see that I have added a fabric and it is looking so shiny right now. So we also have to do some back finishing, but before that we are going to add this hair clip here first, and once this get dry we will go for back finishing. So I will quickly add this here. And now for the back finishing, again we are going to apply this fabric, the same fabric on this side. So I have already cutted this fabric in the size of this brooch, and I'll quickly add the Fevibond glue and we'll apply this one. Okay, so now we will keep this for drying for a while, and then we will attach the L'Oreals. So guys, you can see we have applied this fabric to both sides, and now it has dried up. So now we will quickly cut this, and we have to be very careful. So you can see I have cut this and it is looking so pretty. Now we are going to add this L'Oreal beads, golden L'Oreal beads, with the help of thread. So I am taking this thread and these L'Oreal beads and to this one side over here. So we are going to apply this to this outer border. So I will first knock this thread. You have to be very careful. Now we are going to add lots of beads in this, up to like lots, because we have to cover the entire half circle. So I'm going to add it like them. I'm not going to count them because they are literally lots of. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. So guys, I have added these L'Oreal beads, and these are so many to cover this half circle, and you can see I have added just beads, and now we are going to attach it. So in the end over here we will again have a knot. We'll make a knot pattern. Be very careful here, and just to strengthen it we will I'm going to make 2 or 3 more knots. Okay, so now we are going to attach this one. You have to be very careful while doing this. So what we'll do is I'll take some bunch like this, and we'll insert a needle over here in the end, and we'll push it here, and we'll make a knot like this, and we'll make sure that this thread remains at the downside. Guys, you can see we have added this one bunch. Now similarly we are going to add another bunch. Like I will take some L'Oreals, and from them I will insert this thread very carefully. Yeah, like this. And I have to make sure that it has a proper strength, so I will make 2 or 3 knots. So likewise I'm going to Likewise, I'm going to do this for the whole brooch. So I'll quickly do that. If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button. Guys, our this beautiful brooch is ready. So you can choose to have the bunch of 10 L'Oreals and then knot them one by one, one by one, one by one. But I didn't did that because I have experienced that when I have did that, the L'Oreals used to fall away, and like they used to do something like this, and it doesn't look good. So for the same, I did this, and with this our beautiful brooch is ready. And this is the back side. You can see back side is also looking beautiful, and this is the front. And our gorgeous hair accessory is ready. I have specially made this tutorial for upcoming Diwali festival. So do make and wear this hair accessory, and also you can give this to your beloved ones. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.